si Dada, Fiscal EJ, ilang tao po yung gagawa ng final na desisyon sa disbarment case? Supreme Court po. Yung Supreme Court po ang ang mag-render ng final decision. So, for example, si A nag-file ng disbarment complaint kay L. Tapos, saan niya i-final? I-final niya sa IBP. Yung IBP po, yung IBP Board of Governors will choose a commissioner to investigate the case. Now, the investigating commissioner will be given 180 days to terminate his investigation. Kasama na yung report and recommendation niya. Now, saan ba ipapasa ng commissioner yung report at investigation niya? Ipapasa niya yung report and investigation niya sa IBP Board of Governors. Now, ang IBP Board of Governors naman in return will either adopt the report and recommendation of the investigating commissioner or modify, reverse, dismiss. Tapos, pag meron ng decision ng IBP Board of Governors, itong decision ng IBP, ipapasa naman ng IBP ito sa Supreme Court. The Supreme Court will now have the final say as to what to do with the disbarment proceeding against the lawyer concerned. So from the complainant to the investigating commissioner to the IBP Board of Governors and then finally to the Supreme Court. Pag ganyan ang route ng pag-file ng kaso kasi pwede kasing i-direkta ng complainant yung disbarment case dun sa Supreme Court mismo. Ang gagawin lang ng Supreme Court is to refer back the case to the IBP or to the Office of the Bar Confidant or to another body. Tapos i-require niya yung IBP to investigate. Tapos pag nag-investigate na, ibabalik ulit sa Supreme Court. Supreme Court pa rin ang may final say dun sa disbarment complaint.